नमस्ते, मैं आपका दोस्त आशीष कुमार और आप देख रहे हैं अपना पसंदीदा यूट्यूब चैनल लर्निंग डिजिटल और हमारा मोटो है लर्निंग फॉर योर अर्निंग। तो जैसा कि आप जानते हैं, हम यहाँ सीखते हैं ऑनलाइन पैनल और डिजिटल दुनिया की चीजों को कैसे ऑपरेट किया जाए। वीडियो
Welcome back. In the previous task, we have started getting an introduction to Coursera guided projects. We had a look at what our final guided project result will look like, and we got started creating a Shopify account. Well done. Now, in this task, we're going to begin adding products. As you can see, you already have a sort of a launch checklist in your home page and dashboard of your Shopify account. The steps that we will be taking in this guided project are largely part of a launch checklist that even Shopify will recommend. Your first step is to add the products. So you can add the products right here with the Add Product button in the home page, or simply go to the Products section and clicking All Products, you will find an Add the Product button. Either way will work. We'll add the product now, and we'll begin with a blue t-shirt. So we'll type in the product name and a description. An amazing blue t-shirt with high quality fabric. Scrolling down, you'll be able to add more information. So first we'll have to add a file. So we'll add a picture, add file, and from our desktop, reach the resources folder and pick the blue t-shirt image. Then open to upload it. Great. Let's set the pricing now. Let's say that this is a $15 t-shirt, but previously it was sold at $20. If you leave the compare price box empty, you will just set the price here as a standard price. But this way, you will have a special offer, so you're highlighting that the t-shirt is on sale. It's at $15 with a $5 discount compared to the original price. Also, you can mark a cost per item to get in your reports already information around your profits. Let's say that to make this t-shirt, it cost you $9. You have a margin of 40% and a profit of $6. You can mark charge tax on this product so that when you set up your taxes, it will be charged on this product on top of your original price. You can then keep your inventory. So you can mark a stock keeping unit. Let's have product number 1, or insert the barcode for this particular product. I also like to mark a track quantity so that then we can set up an original quantity. Let's say that we have 15 t-shirts in stock, and now we can track the quantity so that as we register orders and customers are purchasing the t-shirts, this quantity will go down until it will be out of stock, so that we can have stock management on the website and potentially not selling items that are already out of stock. We'll mark this as a physical product and set up a weight, which is also useful for shipping. I'm going to mark my unit. I'll go for grams now and put a weight. So 150 grams, for instance. We select a country or region of origin. Let's go for Italy, as we have Italian clothing brands perhaps. Once we're happy with all of this, consider also that you may add variants. So if you have a small, medium, and large shirt, for example, you might mark this option as size and go for small, medium, large. Separate them by comma and hit enter when you're done. So you now have added 3 different options. If there is any price variation, you can add it here. We'll leave them all as the same price as the same quantity for now. Clearly, as this is a variant of your product, your stock keeping unit number will change as well. We now have an identifier for the small, medium, and large size. Shopify even gives you a search engine listing preview to mark your search engine optimization options. We're not going to work with that in this project, but it's very nice to see that you have this information. Finally, you add the product status as active to publish the product on your site. You may have different sales channels or apps. You might sell this product on mobile apps, websites. So for now, we'll keep the online store as this is your available sales channel. So your e-commerce website that you just created now. We'll have a product type to mark a category. So we'll have t-shirts, and this will add automatically after you click on it, a category for your product, t-shirts. You can even make collections, which is a step that we'll have later when we create a summer collection. Now that we're happy with this, we can save and our product has been stored in the e-commerce site. I recommend to save often on Shopify. Well done, great job. Let's click back now and add more products. As you can see in the all products category, now you have an entry with your product that you just created, with your stock, the variants, and the information around this product. On the top right hand corner, click Add the Product and create a couple of different products. So let's have 2 blue and 2 red t-shirts by marking crimson or azure. So give a different name using the blue and red t-shirt pictures to create another 2-3 products. Pause the video and resume when you're done. Happy with the results? Well done. Now in your all products section of the Shopify website, you should see something like this. An azure and blue t-shirt and a crimson and red t-shirt. So we have populated 4 different products with different inventory or perhaps even size variants. Great job. In the next task, we'll look at managing product inventory. See you there.